Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Project M-Kai ATX Open Frame White Edition chassis. So friend, the brand Project M label Kai announces the ATX Open Frame White Edition chassis, and friend, it is the enhanced version of the ATX Open Frame White Edition, and friend, it is the enhanced version of ATX Open Frame White Edition, which was debuted in March 2022 as a limited quantity model of 100 units with the addition of window frame and rubber stand to power supply units mounting portion. And friend, additionally, the state that holds a graphics card has been upgraded from plastic to metal to ensure that the rubber feet do not detach easily. And friend, the model is no longer available limited quantities. And friend, the radiator supports 360 or 280 or 240 or 140 or 120 radiator size. And friend, the expansion slot has 8 stages. The storage may be provided with 2.5 inch into 2, 3.5 inch into 1 storage. And friend, ATX, MicroATX, Mini-DTX and Mini-ITX are all form factor supported, and prime power supply unit is accepted standard ATX power supply. And friend, the external measurements are 282.5 mm wide, 190 mm deep and 450 mm high. And friend, the bag weighs around 2.9 kg. And friend, the graphics card is compatible with both horizontal and vertical installation. And friend, is located under product code PM-N-FRAME-ATX-WHITE-KAI. You will support the product roughly priced at $150 USD. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.